Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you're looking for a laptop that's got the size, speed, and storage to handle everything you throw at it, from work to entertainment, then stay tuned. Today we're diving into the HP 17.3-inch laptop, a powerful everyday performer that combines a massive display, ultra-fast Ryzen processor, and tons of memory for serious productivity. If you want to check it out yourself, the link's down below, right off the bat. This laptop stands out with its sleek natural silver finish and lightweight, yet durable design. Despite its large 17.3-inch screen, it's surprisingly slim and portable. Perfect for those who want a big display without the bulk. The build feels premium, with a solid hinge and a full-size keyboard that's comfortable for long typing sessions. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, let's talk about that 17.3-inch Full HD IPS screen that you're getting crisp visuals, rich colors, and wide 178-degree viewing angles. Perfect for movies, video calls, or multitasking. The Full HD resolution brings out sharp detail, so whether you're editing photos, watching YouTube, or handling spreadsheets, everything looks bright and clear. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor, a 6-core, 12-thread chip that rivals even Intel's i7-11370H. That means lightning-fast performance for multitasking, streaming, and running multiple heavy apps at once. Pair that with 32 GB of RAM, and you can edit videos, browse with dozens of tabs open, and switch between apps smoothly without lag. The 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD gives you tons of storage space for your files, photos, and projects, and loads them in seconds thanks to super fast read and write speeds. For visuals, you're getting AMD Radeon Graphics, which is perfect for everyday gaming, video playback, and creative work. That IT supports multiple monitor setups. So if you're working from home or setting up a productivity station, connecting a second display is seamless. Watching movies or streaming your favorite shows? The vibrant display and powerful integrated graphics make it a total win for entertainment. Out of the box, this laptop comes with Windows 11 in S mode, optimized for speed and security. That if you prefer the full Windows 11 experience, you can easily switch out of S mode in just a few clicks through the settings menu. That you'll enjoy a clean, modern interface, smoother performance, and access to all your favorite productivity tools and apps. The HP 17.3-inch laptop keeps you connected wherever you go. It comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for fast, stable wireless connections. Perfect for work meetings, online classes, or streaming. That you'll also find multiple USB ports, an HDMI output, and a built-in webcam for video calls and virtual meetings. Whether you're in a coffee shop, your home office, or traveling, this laptop is built to keep up with you. Thanks to its large display and high-speed hardware, this HP laptop is an excellent choice for students, professionals, and anyone who needs serious performance without breaking the bank. The full-size keyboard with numeric keypad makes it easy to type, while the responsive trackpad gives you smooth control. That it's built for comfort, performance, and reliability, all in one solid package. Imagine editing photos while streaming music, writing documents, and browsing the web, all without slowing down. That's exactly what this machine delivers. And with 1 TB of storage, you'll have room for your entire library of files, projects, and entertainment, so you never have to worry about running out of space again. The HP 17.3-inch Ryzen 5 laptop is perfect for students who need a dependable machine for schoolwork, professionals working from home or on the go, creatives who multitask between editing, designing, and streaming, anyone who wants power, portability, and performance in one affordable package overall. The HP 17.3-inch laptop offers incredible value with its powerful Ryzen processor, huge memory, and beautiful display. It's fast, reliable, and designed to make multitasking effortless. If you're ready to upgrade your laptop experience and take your productivity to the next level, this one definitely deserves a spot on your list. Check it out for yourself. The link's down below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.